Cross comes in here and the heads go up. It was actually, looks like Stefan Isaac here, the skipper for Paradise. Nice pass forward here, finds Julian. Is the shot going to come in here now? Here comes the shot from, that's looks like Stefan Abraham. I told you about Stefan Abraham. He scores many a goals for Paradise FC International. Skipper Belfont comes up the line, does not make the clean tackle, the clean take, and his defense is there to cover up for him. Good play here, good skill here. Gets past his man nicely and slips this one forward, but it's maybe a little too strong. Phillips swings this one. The heads go up. Bad miss here by the defender. Strong challenge. Arms are flaying. A lot of pushing and tugging between these two players. A loose ball picked up here. The cross comes in. A tussle for it. Goal number 2. Still in the dying moments. They really want to find at least one comeback goal and maybe make a push for an equalizer as well. But here is Klein down the right hand side. Klein plays it in short here nicely for his man, who brings it in the middle. That could be goal number 3. It is indeed goal number 3 here by Paradise FC International. And on this occasion, the substitute Keston Williams